Whooping cough cases are doubling nationally from last year, even causing the death of 2 infants in Louisiana. Has some Maine residents wondering how they can protect themselves now.
Alyssa Goodwin, a pediatrician in Topsom, says while the increase is concerning, Maine has required all school-aged children to get vaccinated against it since 2021. However, infants are most at risk, and in order to protect them, it is vital, she says, for adults to continue to get booster shots throughout their life because the effectiveness of the vaccine wears down over time. Nationally, vaccination rates are decreasing. Dr. Goodwin says her concern is that the current narrative spreading could decrease the number of voluntary vaccinations.
And what sort of terrifies me as a pediatrician is to know what things could look like and what things have looked like prior to the robust vaccinations that we benefit from as a community.
It says the vaccination for pertussis is routinely administered at any pharmacy, and if you're hesitant or you have concerns, she recommends reaching out to a medical expert or using trusted online resources. She references specifically the Maine CDC or healthychildren.org.